If you're looking for the best new Breitling watches based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches buying links are given in the video description. Number 7. Breitling Superocean Kelly Slater Limited Edition A1 737 51A101S1. Movement. Self-winding mechanical. Power reserve. Approximately 38 hours. Vibration. 28,800 VPH, jewels, 26 jewels, case material, stainless steel, case back, screwed in, water resistance, 300 meters, 1,000 feet, bezel unidirectional, ratcheted, crown screw locked, 2 gaskets, crystal cambered sapphire, glare proofed both sides, dimensions, product weight, approximately 133 grams. Watch head weight, approximately 81.7 grams. Diameter, 42 millimeters. Thickness, 12.5 millimeters. Height, 47.7 millimeters. Lug width, 22 millimeters. Strap material, rubber. Strap color, green. Strap type, straight. Lug, 22/18 millimeters. Buckle material, stainless steel. Buckle type, folding clasp. Buckle size, 18 millimeters. Number 6. Breitling Super Chronomat 38 R1735 6531G1S1. Screwed in, water resistance 10 bars. Bezel unidirectional, ratcheted. Crown non-screw locked. 2 gaskets. Crystal, convex sapphire crystal. Glare proofed both sides. Dimensions. Product weight, 120.5 grams. Watch head weight, 98.8 grams. Diameter, 38 millimeters. Thickness, 11.8 millimeters. Height, 45.4 millimeters. Lug width, 20 millimeters. Strap material, rubber. White strap. Type, straight lug 20/18 millimeters. Buckle material, small scale traceable gold. Buckle type, tang type. Buckle size, 18 millimeters. Number 5. Breitling Chronomat Automatic GMT 40 A323-98101A1A1. Self-winding mechanical, 2NF time zone, 24 hour. Power reserve, approximately 42 hours. Vibration, 28,800 VPH. Jewel, 21 jewels. Calendar. Dial aperture. Case material, stainless steel. Case back screwed in. Water resistance, 200 meters, 660 feet. Bezel. Unidirectional ratcheted rotating bezel. Crown screw locked. 2 gaskets. Crystal. Cambered sapphire. Glare proofed both sides. Dimensions. Product weight, approximately 153 grams. Watch head weight, approximately 75.2 grams. Diameter, 40 millimeters. Thickness, 11.7 millimeters. Height, 47.4 millimeters. Lug width, 20 millimeters. Strap material, stainless steel. Strap color, metal bracelet. Strap type, straight. Lug 20/18 millimeters. Number 4. Breitling Navitimer Automatic 41 Limited Edition A1 73263A1G1P1. Water resistance, 3 bars. Bezel, bidirectional slide rule. Crown, non-screw locked. 2 gaskets. Crystal camber sapphire. Glare proofed both sides. Dimensions. Product weight, approximately 73 grams. Watch head weight, approximately 60.6 grams. Diameter, 41 millimeters. Thickness, 10 millimeters. Height, 47.9 millimeters. Lug width, 22 millimeters. Strap material, alligator leather. Strap color, blue. Strap type, straight. Lug, 22/20 millimeters. Buckle material, stainless steel. Buckle type, tang type. Buckle size, 20 millimeters. Number 3. Breitling Navitimer B01 Swiss Limited Edition. Case size, 41 millimeters. Case material, stainless steel. Case back, open. Strap material, alligator. Strap color, black. Buckle type, folding clasp. Reference, AB01395A1B1P1. Case size, 41 millimeters. Case material, stainless steel. Movement, automatic. Caliber, Breitling manufacturer caliber 01. In-house. Power reserve, 70 hours. Functions, hours, minutes, chronograph, date, small seconds. Water resistance, 30 millimeters / 3 bar. A partnership with Swiss to mark the iconic Navitimer's 70th anniversary. The watch is available exclusively on board Swiss in-flight shopping on JFK, EWR, LAX, and HKG routes. Each purchase comes with a certificate that is filled out by hand by the respective pilot. Number 2. Breitling Top Time Deus A23311-2A1A1X1. Movement, self-winding mechanical. Power reserve, approximately 48 hours. Chronograph, 1/4 second, 30 minutes. Vibration, 28,800 VPH. Joule, 27 joules. Case material, stainless steel. Case back, snapped. Water resistance, 3 bars. Crown, non-screw locked. 1 gasket. Crystal, convex sapphire crystal. Glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions, product weight, approximately 97 grams. Watch head weight, approximately 86.8 grams. Diameter, 41 millimeters. Thickness, 14.2 millimeters. Height, 51.5 millimeters. Lug width, 20 millimeters. Strap material, calfskin leather. Strap color, brown. Strap type, straight. Lug, 20/18 millimeters. Buckle material, stainless steel. Buckle type, folding clasp / buckle. Size, 18 millimeters. Number 1. Breitling Navitimer Boeing 747 AB01383B1G1P1. Self-winding mechanical. Power reserve, approximately 70 hours. Chronograph, 1/4 second, 30 minutes, 12 hours. Vibration, 28,800 VPH. Joule, 47 joules. Calendar, dial aperture. Case material, stainless steel. Case back, screwed in sapphire crystal. Water resistance, 3 bars. Bezel, bidirectional, slide rule. Crown, non-screw locked, 2 gaskets. Crystal, camber sapphire. Glare-proofed both sides. Dimensions, product weight approximately 98 grams. Watch head weight, approximately 76 grams. Diameter, 43 millimeters. Thickness, 13.6 millimeters. Height, 49 millimeters. Lug width, 22 millimeters. Strap material, alligator leather. Strap color, black. Strap type, straight. Lug, 22/18 millimeters. Buckle material, stainless steel. Buckle type, folding clasp. Buckle size, 18 millimeters.